The NPET stainless steel cat water fountain offers a generous 1-gallon capacity, keeping your pet hydrated for up to 10 days without frequent refills. Its durable 304 stainless steel design is rust-resistant, food-grade, and dishwasher-safe, making cleaning and assembly simple. The fountain's quiet 0.6W pump runs smoothly with minimal noise, encouraging cats to drink more water naturally. Equipped with a 5-layer filtration system, including activated carbon and ion exchange resin, it ensures fresh, clean water. A visible water level window helps you monitor hydration easily. If you're looking for a reliable, low-maintenance water fountain for your cat, this model is worth considering.